clouds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Hi and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are doing our kitchen makeover. We are not doing like whole kitchen makeover, but there will be a few changes, and yeah, this will be like makeover and deep cleaning, organizing, because I will have some more space after that, and yeah, I will show you what the change will be. So the biggest change and the reason for all of this was that we got rid of our old fridge. It was a really old one. It wasn't this new. You can see how dirty it was under this fridge. This was a really old one, and we had a lot of problems with it. You've seen it in several videos of me, so yeah. And on this day our new fridge got delivered, and our old one have been taken away by the company that delivered our new refrigerator. So yeah, as you can see, I was unpacking our fridge, and actually the fridge was too big for the spot, for the niche where our old fridge had been, and it was like kind of built in, like the doors have been constructed for the built-in kitchen. No, not really, but the doors were on the built-in kitchen. So yeah, I don't know. So we decided, okay, we will put our new fridge in the living room, which is, I know, pretty untypical, and we decided for this decision, and then we decided against it, but in the end we said, okay, this is the best way we can do it. So yeah, we actually ordered a plastic overlay for this fridge that you will see a few clips later, because it was not there yet, but later we're putting that under the fridge, so that if anything spills out, there's no problem for our carpet. And yeah, we just vacuumed everything up and then unpacked our fridge, which is a French door one. It is way bigger, especially the freezer part. Yeah, and there you can see me how I was cleaning off this whole new fridge before we were putting it on.
Right now I'm standing in a corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
So I filmed this video over so many days. It's incredible. It took us just so long to do everything that had to be done, especially like with Paulina running around, and there were just some steps that we're not able to do directly. Like we wanted some shelves in this space that I'm just cleaning right now, where the old fridge was in. But the company was building the built-in kitchen like so many years ago, are not building like shelves and elements to put on the shelves anymore. So we actually had to ask a friend of Patrick to print out those little hooks where we were able to put on the shelves with his 3D printer. So yeah, this just took us days to get him everything he needed to be able to print that out, and for him to print it and try it. And yeah, so that was just kind of like a challenge to get in some shelves in there, but it turned out really, really well. So yeah.
It feels like I'm drunk on you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint. You got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games though? There's no denying what we want. Just watch me break in. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
So at this point, our plastic mat came, and we were able to put it under the fridge.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
Okay, so we're nearly at the end of doing our storage room over there. We'll see how it ends. It won't be a complete pantry, but I will show you in a second. But first I have a little IKEA haul for you with all of the kitchen stuff I got. Actually, I only got like kitchen stuff when I was at IKEA. So first I got 6 of those water glasses because all of our glasses broke recently and we already have 2 of those. So now we have 8. Then I got those little plastic bowls for Paulina because we never have some for like yogurt stuff or fruits. We only have those really small silicone ones, but they're not so handy for having like yogurt. It's not enough for her anymore. Okay, then I also got this little thing. It's like a phone or iPad stand where you can put your phone and just you lay it down and then you can put your phone in and it just stands, or if you have a recipe or a video or something like that. I thought, well, for like this cheap of a price, we'll try that out. Maybe it works out good. Then I got those organizers. Maybe you've seen them before. They're pretty IKEA typical and I already have some of them. Maybe you've seen that in my videos. And now I have 2 big ones. And I think I had, or maybe even have, little ones, but I don't know where they are right now. Maybe I will find them. We'll see. But I got 3 of those little ones. I think they're really practical for kitchen stuff. Like maybe, here I have one for Paulina stuff, I wanted to say. But maybe I will use a big one for Paulina stuff from now on, and we'll see. I'm not sure how to do all of this yet. Then I got 4 of those containers. These are just, glass containers. They are air. No air is coming in. They're, how's it called? I don't know. But I think you know what I mean. They have some really good rubber bands like this. So, for like flowers or cereals and things like that. So now air is coming in and we don't have any like little animals or things like that. Yeah, I'm always afraid of those in my food. So yeah, I don't know how they're called, to be completely honest. I will put it here whenever I translated it. So that's the little IKEA haul, and Patrick's currently doing the leftover shelves, and then I will show you the end result.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
So here you can see our shelves. Patrick was just putting them in, and as I said, it really turned out really, really good. We have so much more storage room and we're finally able to get everything that we need in the kitchen to stay in the kitchen. Before that, we had some stuff in the living room in a little green, I don't know how to call that, like little shelf situation. You have maybe seen in a few videos as well. I always build up my coffee bar on top of this, but still not really nice. So we're finally able to have nearly everything in our kitchen, I would say. And even some stuff that we had in our basement, like things from the kitchen we didn't use so often, are now able to fit into the kitchen, which is really, really rare. So that we have more space in the basement, because space in there is really rare, whatever as well.
We be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no, it's no more, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more. We don't know, no, it's no more, no, no. Yeah.
So I was not cleaning out my entire kitchen. I was not taking out everything. So there were a few spots where I decided I would just keep them the way they are. And these are the spaces I was not cleaning, deep cleaning this time around. I will do the second part. I also want to refill some of my things, or like get new storage containers for a few things like flowers and cereals, rice, pasta, things like that, because some of my containers are not really good anymore. So we'll see. I will do that soon, and whenever I do that, I think I will kind of do a part 2 of this, but not really, but I will just go ahead and deep clean those spaces whenever I do that. Yeah, because I really wanted to get done with the major parts of the kitchen for right now after it took me so long.
You don't know how I shiver inside. Doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands. Now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, that's when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And all the things that you do. Ooh, ooh. Sounds like a fool, 'cause when you touch my hand, the words goes away. What I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all just goes away. The things I plan to say, oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away.
If you're new to my channel, I want to take a second to introduce myself to you. My name is Rebecca and I am 23 years old. I live in Germany with my family. My family means myself, my husband Patrick, my daughter Paulina, who is nearly 20 months old, and our dog Ellie. She's a Labrador and she's 2 years old. We got her when I was pregnant. Yeah, and on my channel you will find videos about my journey as a young stay-at-home mom, as well as everything homemaking. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, because this helps out my channel a lot. There will also be a lot of fall and winter Christmas content soon, because I absolutely love to decorate, especially for Christmas. This is my, yeah, I'm waiting for this the whole year. And I hope to have a lot of recipes up and things like that. So if you're interested in those topics, make sure to put your notifications on so that you don't miss out whenever I start uploading the fall and winter content, which will be really soon, hopefully.
Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
So this little cabinet is really not so perfect for storing things, because as you can see here, it goes on really, it's a really long shelf, but you can't really reach the corner so well. So it was just full of things we didn't really need, but I never looked into this because it was just unorganized. I didn't know what was in there. There were not really things that we needed. We even were putting a lot of those things into the trash because we decided we don't even use them, or we don't even need them at all. So yeah, then I was just putting in things that I don't use really often, but now I still know what's in there, and whenever I need them, I can take them out. I just have to take a few things to the side, which is not that big of a deal now that it's organized. Yeah.
I've been thinking about you. Cause I've been thinking about you.
Every night I'm going on the grid, texting back, I want you, hit you up, I'm on the other side, I miss you, take you off, I came in way too strong, cannot keep it low key, got me drugged, your pheromones hit the roof, auto, your taste, it's really a bad reception out there, where you heading, why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post, hitting you up but I'm stuck on hold. Is it really a bad reception out there? Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? Yeah, I lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
So with those shelves for the spices, I have a little bit of a love-hate relationship. On one hand, I really think it is pretty practical, and I feel like whenever the spices and everything up there is organized, it can look kind of good. But as you can see, the top shelf, I don't really, oh no, the middle shelf, I don't really like. For the top shelf, it's fine with the vases, but yeah, and the lowest shelf is fine as well because of all of those uniform spice jars, but the top one is not so nice. But it is how it is for right now. I don't have a better solution, and I wouldn't know how to use that shelf space differently, so it would just be lost space, which I don't want. So yeah.
In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me ooh, won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete.
So we are at the end of this pretty long video. I hope that it gave you a lot of motivation. Maybe you even cleaned along with me or decluttered or organized or whatever you got to do. Or maybe it gave you the motivation to now get up and get your cleaning done. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. This really means a lot to me. I would love to see you on my channel in the future as well. So yeah, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. And if you're new, please introduce yourself in the comments below. I would love to get to know you. So have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.